Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to pair Amazon Fire Stick remote. Let's go. First way, open Settings, Controllers, add new remote, press and hold Home button for 10 seconds. Second way, remove the batteries from the remote control. Disconnect the Fire Stick from the power supply. Connect the Fire Stick to the power supply. Install the batteries in the remote control. Hold down the Home button. Release when the remote control flashes blue. That's it. Now you know how to pair Amazon Fire Stick remote. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.